I'm Charles Ward. I'm a manager and bartender at Nick and Nate's. I'm going to go over what's important when you set up a bar to make it really highly functional. So the most important thing about a bar is to be able to see your customers at all times. So for instance, we have our liquor set up to where our speed rail, this is our most commonly used liquors, anywhere from everything that goes in an LIT or Long Island iced tea. And the reason why we put those together is because that's more than likely the most complicated drink you're going to make. It's 5 different shots of liquor, so it's really important to not have to be grabbing from all different directions to get that. So when you're setting up a bar, you want to make sure you're making your liquor drinks to where you can actually see everyone else, which is why we also have our beer set up in the back, because when I'm pouring a beer, I don't have to be like this. I can turn around and look while I'm pouring it, so I can still make sure I'm aware of what's going on with the customers. So as far as setting it up, you've got your ice bin. Then we have our standard glasses, where this would be a single rocks glass, which is what you would typically serve, like if someone wanted a scotch on the rocks, or like a whiskey on the rocks, or just maybe even a shot of whiskey, you would put it in this glass. If you try to make like a whiskey and Coke in this, it's not going to end up being enough mixer in it. It's going to be a little too strong to drink. So then we come to the double rocks glass. This glass is ideal for if you're doing no more than a liquor and a mixer, or maybe an ounce and a half of a liquor plus a half ounce of a liqueur or something like that. So since I said an ounce and a half, that would be your standard shot, which these are called jiggers. These help to pour the perfect shot that you're looking for. With this one, this will be a half ounce with an ounce. This one has an ounce and an ounce and a half. This is going to be your most commonly used size, because in North Carolina the standard shot is a 1.5 ounce shot. So other than that, you have juicers, like sweet and lime juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, cranberry juice, and some bars carry grapefruit juice, but commonly nowadays most people don't get drinks with grapefruit juice, so we found that it was going bad faster than we could use it. So also, when you're building a drink, you have things called mixing cups, and a lot of people do things a little bit different, but it's the end result that's most important. So you have your smaller ones. I like to, when I'm making a martini, I'll build it in this and use one of the double rocks glasses to put on top to shake. Shake is one of the more important things, because most of the drinks you're going to serve are going to be shaken. Just like James Bond, vodka martini, shaken, not stirred. Mostly with gin is what you would stir, because it bruises the gin if you shake it. Also, aside from the juices, we have a soda gun. It's very important to have this close to where you're making drinks, so you'll have anywhere from like Coke, Sprite, club soda, Diet Coke, ginger ale, sweet and sour mix, and tonic water. Those are your most common things you're going to pour in drinks. Now, I've said, talking about sodas, as far as when you're making a drink, if it has a soda that's carbonated in it, if you shake it, it makes the soda go flat. So when you're building a drink that has a carbonated soda in it, it's important to just put the liquor in,